cheers. Welcome to Yogea. I'm Antonia. This is Asana Lab. We will practice standing figure 4 twist. A great deep hip opener. Let's do it. Stand right in the center of your mat. We're going to press through all the corners of the right foot. Float our left knee up. Bring your left ankle to your right knee. Bend your right knee. This is our figure 4. We want to keep the hip points even as we hinge at the creases of the hips. Your torso will naturally float down. There's a moment when you can stay here. You can hold your heel on your knee, and that's perfect, figure 4. If you want to go deeper, reach your left hand to the floor. Make sure your left thigh is opening out, your left knee is opening. And now start to bend your right knee and twist your torso to the right. Soften through your left shoulder, reach your right arm up, gaze up to the sky. Sit lower by bending your right knee more. Breathe and come out of it. Right hand down, left foot down. Bend both knees and roll up. Great job. Come and practice with me. Many more poses on Yogea Yoga. Subscribe on YouTube and you're going to have lots and lots of fun. Bye.